वेलकम फ्रेंड्स टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल फाउंडेशन इंग्लिश कोर्स। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं इस वीडियो में हाउ टू यूज़ द प्रीपोजिशन बाय। तो आज हम बाय प्रीपोजिशन के बारे में बात करेंगे। फर्स्ट, टू एक्सप्लेन द वे समथिंग इज डन। टू एक्सप्लेन द वे समथिंग इज डन, आई कॉन्टैक्टेड हिम बाय फोन। I met Dinah by accident. Second, as means of transport, they came by car. I will travel by train, by taxi, by ship, by plane, etc. We use as means of transport. Third, as next to, my cat came and sat by me. Please stand by me as next to. As alone. Fourth, as alone, I stayed at home by myself. I stayed at home by myself and read the newspaper. The dog opened the door by itself. Fifth, passives. This book was written by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. The best cakes are made by Chandra. In possessive. As amount. Sixth, he is older than me by 3 years. We sell tomatoes by the kilos. वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। थैंक यू।